cheering. Okay, cheering nila tayo. Okay, try natin yung mga... Try natin yung mga babae. Okay? Ladies, in a count of 3 in my count. Ganito gagawin nyo ha. 1, 2, 3. Dito, sa Jollibee. Sexy kami. Okay, gagawin nyo yun ha. 1, 2, 3, go! Dito, sa Jollibee. Sexy kami. Naniniwala ka ba? Alright. What about the boys? Magpapatalo ba kayo? Siyempre hindi. Siyempre hindi. Sumisexy din sila. Wala tayo siyempre hindi. Ito naman ha. In a count of 3, ganito ang gagawin nyo ha. Dito, sa Jollibee. Gumagawa ko kami. Okay. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, go! Dito, sa Jollibee. Naniniwala ka ba? Alright, so, ano tayo? Game proper. Player number 1, dribble. Exhibition. Pass. Exhibition. Pass to player number 3. Player number 3, dribble. Exhibition. Pass to player number 1. And player number 1, dribble. Exhibition. Pass to player number 2. Pass to player number 3. And player number 3. Dribble pala. Pass to player number 2. Pass to player number 1. And player number 1. Pass to player number 2. Player number 2. Player number 2. Pass to player number 3. Player number 3. Sino nanalo? Okay, 1-0. Bakol kayo. Lisa. Okay, player number 1. Dribble. Exhibition. Pass to player number 2. Player number 2. Dribble. Exhibition. Pass to player number 3. Pass to player number 3. Pass to player number 1. Player number 1. Pass to player number 2. And player number 2. Exhibition. Pass to player number 3. Pass to player number 1. Player number 1. Shoot that ball. Sino nanalo? Sino nanalo kayo? Hindi naman alam ko.